The tallest penthouse in the United States. In the heart of one of the most iconic cities in the world stands a pinnacle of luxury and architectural marvel, the tallest penthouse in the United States. Perched atop a soaring skyscraper, this extraordinary residence not only offers breathtaking views, but also redefines the standards of opulence and exclusivity. Let's embark on a journey to discover the allure and grandeur of this unparalleled dwelling. Number 5. Rising above the skyline, location and architecture. Perched atop the pinnacle of skyscraper name, the tallest penthouse offers an unparalleled vantage point, granting sweeping vistas of the bustling metropolis below. Floor-to-ceiling windows invite natural light to flood the expansive living spaces, creating an ambience of airy elegance. Every detail within the penthouse speaks to meticulous craftsmanship and exquisite taste, from the opulent furnishings to the state-of-the-art amenities. Step inside and you're greeted by a grand foyer adorned with avant-garde artwork and intricate marble flooring. The open-concept layout seamlessly merges the living, dining, and entertaining areas, fostering an environment conducive to both intimate gatherings and lavish soirees. High-end finishes, such as polished hardwoods and designer fixtures, imbue each room with a sense of refinement and luxury. The gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, custom cabinetry, and expansive countertops for culinary creativity to flourish. A private elevator whisks residents to their lofty abode, ensuring exclusivity and convenience at every turn. Retreat to the sumptuous master suite, where panoramic views provide a serene backdrop for relaxation. A spa-inspired en-suite bathroom beckons with its indulgent amenities, including a soaking tub, rain shower, and dual vanities crafted from rare materials. For those seeking leisure and recreation, the penthouse offers an array of amenities rivaling that of a five-star resort. A private terrace, complete with lush landscaping and al fresco dining areas, offers a tranquil oasis amidst the urban hustle and bustle. Residents can unwind in the infinity-edged pool, work up a sweat in the fully equipped fitness center, or host gatherings in the sophisticated entertainment lounge. As day gives way to night, the city below transforms into a glittering panorama, painting the sky with a tapestry of lights. From the highest perch in city name, residents of this extraordinary penthouse are afforded front-row seats to the spectacle below, where the pulse of the city beats in harmony with the rhythm of life. Number 4. Unparalleled elevation, height, and dimensions. At an awe-inspiring elevation of height, the tallest penthouse elevates the concept of urban living to new heights. From this lofty perch, residents are treated to an unparalleled perspective of the cityscape below, where skyscrapers and landmarks stretch out like miniature monuments against the horizon. Spanning over dimensions, the penthouse boasts an expansive floor plan that seamlessly blends sophistication with functionality. Every corner of this architectural marvel is meticulously designed to maximize both comfort and luxury, offering residents a sanctuary above the bustling city streets. The living spaces are bathed in natural light streaming through floor-to-ceiling windows, creating a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor realms. With ample square footage to spare, the penthouse provides residents with the freedom to customize their surroundings to suit their individual tastes and preferences. Whether hosting lavish soirees or enjoying quiet moments of solitude, the penthouse caters to every lifestyle need with effortless grace. Multiple seating areas and entertainment zones offer ample opportunities for relaxation and socialization, while private retreats provide a sanctuary for rest and rejuvenation. Ascend to the rooftop terrace and you'll discover a world unto itself, a sprawling oasis suspended above the urban fray. Here, residents can bask in the sun-drenched luxury of their private outdoor sanctuary, complete with lush greenery, comfortable seating, and panoramic views that stretch as far as the eye can see. As the sun sets and the city lights begin to twinkle below, the tallest penthouse becomes a beacon of sophistication and refinement, casting its radiant glow upon the skyline. For those fortunate enough to call this extraordinary residence home, every day is a celebration of elevated living at its finest. Number 3. Luxurious interiors, design, and amenities. As you step through the threshold, you're enveloped in an atmosphere of unparalleled luxury and refinement. The interior design of the penthouse is a masterful fusion of contemporary elegance and timeless sophistication. Each element has been meticulously curated to create a space that is both visually stunning and supremely comfortable. Every corner of the penthouse is a testament to impeccable taste and attention to detail. From the plush furnishings to the bespoke finishes, every aspect of the design scheme has been carefully chosen to evoke a sense of exclusivity and prestige. Rich textures such as sumptuous velvet upholstery and gleaming marble accents lend a tactile richness to the space, while sleek lines and minimalist silhouettes imbue it with a sense of modernity. But it's not just the aesthetics that set this penthouse apart. It's also the thoughtful incorporation of state-of-the-art amenities and cutting-edge technology. Smart home features seamlessly integrate with the design, allowing residents to control everything from lighting and temperature to entertainment systems with the touch of a button. The kitchen is a culinary haven, outfitted with top-of-the-line appliances and custom cabinetry that combine both form and function. Whether preparing a gourmet meal for guests or enjoying a casual breakfast with family, residents will find everything they need to unleash their culinary creativity. In the bathrooms, luxurious materials and fixtures create a spa-like retreat where residents can unwind and rejuvenate after a long day. From the rain shower to the soaking tub, every detail has been designed with comfort and relaxation in mind. In every corner of the penthouse, from the living spaces to the private retreats, residents will find themselves surrounded by a sense of opulence and refinement that is truly unmatched. This is more than just a place to live. It's a lifestyle statement, a testament to the finest that modern design and technology have to offer. Number 2. Panoramic views, the cityscape below. The crowning jewel of the tallest penthouse undoubtedly lies in its panoramic views, a mesmerizing spectacle that unfolds through floor-to-ceiling windows. These expansive windows serve as frames for the sweeping vistas of the city below, presenting an ever-changing tableau of urban life that captivates residents day and night. At dawn, the penthouse is bathed in the soft, golden hues of sunrise as the city slowly awakens to a new day. The morning light casts gentle shadows across the skyline, illuminating the architectural marvels and bustling streets below. Residents are treated to the tranquil beauty of the city at rest, with the promise of endless possibilities shimmering on the horizon. As the day progresses, the views transform with the ebb and flow of city life. From high above, residents can witness the pulse of the metropolis as cars weave through streets like arteries and pedestrians traverse sidewalks like busy ants. The city unfolds beneath their gaze, revealing its intricacies and hidden gems with each passing moment. But it's as night falls that the views truly come alive as the cityscape transforms into a glittering panorama of lights. From the tallest penthouse, residents are treated to a front-row seat to the spectacle below, with skyscrapers aglow like beacons in the darkness. The twinkling lights stretch as far as the eye can see, creating a mesmerizing mosaic of color and movement that seems to dance across the horizon. Whether bathed in the soft glow of sunrise or the dazzling lights of nightfall, the views from the penthouse never fail to inspire awe and wonder. They serve as a constant reminder of the beauty and dynamism of the city, a breathtaking backdrop against which residents can live, work, and play. Number 1. Extravagant lifestyle, exclusivity, and privilege. Living in the tallest penthouse is an embodiment of unparalleled extravagance and privilege, transcending mere luxury to offer residents a lifestyle that is truly extraordinary. Exclusive access to a private elevator ensures seamless transitions between the penthouse and the vibrant city below, allowing residents to come and go with the utmost convenience and discretion. Dedicated concierge services cater to residents' every need, from arranging bespoke experiences to coordinating reservations at the city's finest restaurants. Whether it's securing tickets to exclusive events or arranging for private transportation, the concierge is on hand to ensure that every whim is met with effortless efficiency. But it's not just the personalized services that set this penthouse apart. It's also the bespoke amenities that elevate the living experience to new heights. A rooftop infinity pool offers a tranquil oasis amidst the urban landscape, where residents can bask in the sun-drenched luxury of their private retreat while enjoying panoramic views of the city below. For those who prefer to take to the skies, a private helipad provides direct access to the penthouse, offering an unparalleled level of convenience for residents with discerning tastes and busy schedules. Whether it's for business or pleasure, the helipad ensures that residents can travel in style, bypassing the traffic and congestion of the city streets below. In every aspect of life within the tallest penthouse, residents are treated to a level of opulence and exclusivity that is unmatched anywhere else in the country. This is more than just a place to live. It's a lifestyle statement, a testament to the finest that modern living has to offer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more content like this.